Today we're going to look at how can we send PowerPoint presentations or PowerPoint files. How can we convert them into PDF? So I'm going to open a presentation and show you a step-by-step process on how you can easily convert this presentation into PDF format. So there are basically different ways to do that. And the first process is open PowerPoint, open the presentation on File menu, go to Export, then choose Create PDF. So create Adobe PDF and then create PDF. And there you are. The save as type is PDF. But you can easily customize how you want your presentation be displayed by going to the option buttons. Here you can easily select the slide range. Is it all the slides? Is it the current slide? Or is it a selected range of slides? So for my case, I'm going to convert all my slides into PDF. And I'm going to leave the PDF options as they are, but you can easily make it according to your preference. So just say OK and give your presentation a name. The presentation on a project. Then say save. So the presentation will be converted to PDF, and the PDF document will be displayed after the process is complete. There it is. So I had a PowerPoint presentation with 13 pages, and here we have 13 pages with, so all our slides were converted into different pages. So that is basically how we can convert PowerPoint presentation into PDF. Another way to accomplish this is just go to PowerPoint and you go to Home. After opening my presentation, just go to File and then Save As. After choosing where you want to save your presentation, here on your save as type, just choose PDF. So there are many options you can choose from here, but for us, we want to choose PDF. Give the presentation a name, project 2. Yes, so we have a standard publishing, online and printing, and a minimized size. So a standard, that means the file size will be bigger than the minimum file size, though it won't affect the quality, but it will only affect the size of the file. So you can choose the minimized size. This is for publishing and printing. You're sending a document that will be published and also be printed, but that means it has a higher quality than minimum size. Then click Save. The process will just display your PDF file. The second way, you can easily convert your presentation into PDF. And then if you find this tutorial useful to you, don't forget to subscribe so that you can easily get notified when we create or when we upload another new content like this. And if you have any topic of interest that you'd like me to still share on or put on my list, please feel free to note it on the comment section. Otherwise, thank you. I hope you learned something. Be blessed.